What's up, guys? I'm back doing another video today. Yeah, so let's get into today's video. Oh yeah, by the way, hold up. We got another package in for the car, but I won't be opening up in this video. I have to stay tuned, waiting for more packages to come in. Twice this big. So today we are going to do the dash. Let me show you guys what I mean. As you can see, we have our typical S13 crack dash. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I started doing this. I took a drum, going over the lines, and try to make them a little bit more deeper, so when I put on the Bondo, it should be able to sail correctly. But first, what I got to do while I'm waiting for the drum to charge up, I got to remove these air vents. So right here, I have to remove this vent. I have to remove this, have to remove that vent, remove these side ones. I might not have to move that fella right there, but I know I'm going to have to remove this. I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to remove that.
Yo, T-Mans with that G remake, man. Hey, fire, get on my dick, get on my dick.
That is the bad portion right there. Right in here, guys. But we got to basically take this, sand this down, and get it nice and flat as possible. Put Bondo on it, let it cure. And then I can sand it down again and all the extra good stuff. So, yeah, it's going to be like another sanding process / putting that on. A lot of guys in the comments wanted me to fix these quarter panels a little better. So we're going to do that today too. Especially this side. Like everybody was like, some people I know, or everybody was like, you know, you're doing over feathers, that's cool, but can you make this look a little better? So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make this look a lot better. And hopefully get it nice and smooth and good look. Further note, let's get started with this Bondoing. First, removing the vents. So, I want to let you know, when taking these things out, they will break. I mean, this thing's been in there so long that I actually broke the tabs, and I didn't even put that much pressure on it, and they started breaking. Like, that broke again, the second one I ever had in my whole life. This one broke, this right here, the whole thing broke. So, just for future reference, I am planning to get some, a nice little gauge cluster from Street Faction to go in there, so I'm not too worried. These vents right here, I'm not going to take them out. And I don't know about this. I think I might just leave this alone, because that seems like it's too fragile. But I ain't gonna need, I won't say I won't need, but I'm gonna put this away just in case for future reference I need this. I want to put AC back in the car. Just saying. So what I'm gonna do is take a piece of cardboard, because I still gotta wait for the Dremel to charge up so I can gouge out some more of these holes and make sure I get them nice and wide. So I can make sure the filler gets in here nice and good, guys. Like, that's the number one thing you want to do, is make sure that, see how this is? Like this right here, from right here is good. This is almost good, but I just want to make sure all this here over is going to be good. But while I'm waiting for that drum, like I said, to get flush, I'm going to go ahead and make me up some Bondo that I got right here on the shelf. So I'm going to take a piece of cardboard, some wax paper.
DJ Birdman is in the mix.
So hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm about to get ready to start using the Dremel to cut this. You want to make sure you got yourself a mask on so you won't breathe none of this stuff that you're going to be cutting. Because it's definitely going to fly up in your face, and you're going to get a little congested. So I'm about to go to using my Dremel. This might be on a time lapse, so starts now.
candy watermelon with the bumper grill. It's flooding outside and I'm the wettest still. Windows rolled up, cold cup, and some kill. Let me explain the way it feel to ride on 84s. A different level of respect amongst your peers and foes. Another victim of the streets if you ain't on your toes. My two chromes might clip, you better watch my toes. Rain coming down while I'm coming down. Heads turn around when them swingers turn around. Shout out to my OG slab riders. Big mix, sport, black body, all my partners. Swing around the puddle.
Bondo on this side, and I put Bondo on the passenger side. I'm letting them dry for a little bit before I start sanding it down. This should be, you know, close to smooth. So I think I'm gonna be able to get it this time. It should come out a little smoother. Plus I got the little adrenaline, so we'll see how this come out, guys.
Muddy as a puddle, softer than a poodle, leather perforated butter. This for all the hustlers out there getting it in the rain. Time to turn the music up and go swing. Forever true. It's what we buy, my nigga. It's where we come from. Yeah, these cars represent just where we from. These scars tell a story of what we done.
Okay, so since this is finished sanding down, I'm gonna take a towel and wipe it down before applying the body filler on here. Oh, the dash filler. What I'm gonna call it, body filler, dash filler. It's all got flex. So I'm gonna apply it on here slowly and I'll show y'all how to do that in a minute.
These diamonds on their ass, how far we made it. Tattoos and t-shirts for all my niggas under payment. Round these parts, it ain't the safest. So watch where you're wrong, nigga. Wrong street, wrong time. Might just meet the wrong nigga. Young boys, quick to off your ass to get on, nigga. UGK, here today, tomorrow could be gone, nigga. Round the clock, up and down the block, that's the paper chase. My partner served his granny, say he rather him than from a snake. I'm Cyrus Flag, ain't no question asked, we hopping over case. Where I'm from, you born guilty. Black and that's a fucking case. Pipe in my humble face. Mama double shifting, daddy must be no magician. Fuck nigga, been missing. Pray for better days. Display the cards we was dealt. Until the end, we hustle hard for the wealth.
Homie, we changing lane. Candy paint so wet, coming down and we looking so good. Homie, we changing lane. I might be in my foreign in the burbs or the motherfucking. Homie, we changing lane. We swinging and banging like ESG. Not on TV either, homie. We really eating these changing lane. It be going down right here. Look at all this money that be rolling right here.
Fresh paint dripping out the frame, nigga. 40 pointers like LeBron James in it. Yeah, the hoes gon' choose a win who name bigger. We lane switching, trunk banging like a game member. Jewel game tough, the streets is dirty as a grave digger. Scammers got the cars now like motherfucker bank, nigga.
So now, I'm about to hit this with 180 grit and sand it down.
Need the loan, the activist gone, but the red hill, the green hill, like God blessing all the drink shippers. Raised by the hood, our minds will never be the same. Nigga just lost another partner, jackets popping like a painkiller. That money, what corruptors had these youngers going insane. Nigga whipping up the Yola dough, shake the dice and throw them hoes. The niggas scheming, windows down and they rolling slow. Hang it out like Gopato, laying down you know the code. Pill popping overdose, codeine in the soda cold. Bottom of the toe bowl.
Homie, we changing lane. Candy paint so wet, coming down and we looking so good. Homie, we changing lane. I might be in my foreign in the burbs or the motherfucking. Homie, we changing lane. We swinging and banging like ESG. Not on TV either, homie. We really eating these changing lane. It be going down right here. Look at all this money that be rolling right here.
Okay guys, I can't get it all but down. I'm going to use 80 grit and I'm going to hand sand it. Off rip, came out cool, I like it. But as you can see, there's still some high spots. them to get down like right here. I have to hit it again right here with some more body filler right there. It's basically just like the edges, just about, and the crease as it goes down. I gotta hit it. Okay, and then when it comes to this to me is decent. I mean, this is as good as I'm gonna get. I mean, I might hit it right here, but like I said, that's another coming down, and I gotta watch that because I can't put too much. I will say this right now. I put too much and it made me sand more. Anybody that's doing this, make sure you just put like a little bit, at least in the seams, so that way it can seal up and it'd be easier for you to sand down. I learned that the hard way. So, all this is learning. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a body guy, but I'm learning. So, shout outs to all the body people out there. I'm starting to understand why y'all do what y'all do.
Gladiator music, man. That's right. It's your boy Young Black, boss out loud, vibe with your boy. Hey, I'm in that coupe trunk nagging, slide 945, roof crack, windows tinted.
So guys, that's the best I'm gonna get it. This still got like a funny feeling, but So I'm gonna go ahead and get some alcohol. Sorry, I still got the mask on. Dust is still in the air in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the alcohol, wipe it down, and then hit it with some primer. Okay, so I'm gonna use this primer right here. The primer I was gonna use, I don't have no more of. It's like an edge primer, but I'm out of that, as I can see, which I didn't know. I thought I still had some. So I'm gonna use this. But before we use that, I'm gonna get the alcohol, clean this off.
Seeing inside, got my hater blockers on. Courtesy Louis Vuitton on my one moon shit. Homie, I'm number one. Diamonds shining like the sun, they flashing like paparazzi. I'm blowing money fast, I dare you come try and stop me. Chicken asses in the wind, fist controlling the grain. Ride strap, pop a head in my lap. I'm getting brain, got me swerving out my lane a little, but that's okay though. She say she from the islands, Trinidad and Tobago. I barely know her name, shit, I just met her today.
So hey guys, I'm gonna let this dry overnight and come back, and we're gonna hit it with the vinyl, the vinyl interior black I got from AutoZone like a couple months ago. So I'm gonna let it dry overnight, let it get nice and hardened and everything, and come back tomorrow and hit it with that. So this will be like a part 2 video for tomorrow. Cause I'm gonna go home and play me some DDD2 on the Xbox. If y'all don't know what DDD2 is, it's Dragon Defenders 2. Yeah, call me geek, a dork, all that good stuff. But see y'all tomorrow.